Hi. Today we are going to learn how to use the Sunray Chart visual and powered by Custom Visual. Let's start by understanding the Sunray Chart. It's a custom Power BI visual that displays data across multiple categories and stages in an interactive radial layout. Let's import the Sunray Chart to start with it. Open your Power BI desktop and go to the Visualization pane. Click on the three dots. Now, select Get More Visuals from drop-down menu. You will be directed to the App Source window. Now in the search bar type Sunray Chart. After that, click on the Sunray Chart from the search results. You can also review the documentation that has been provided for better understanding. Click on Add to import the visual. Now you can see the icon of Sunray Chart in the visual pane. Next, let's look at one of the most important layout options in the Sunray Chart, flow direction. The Sunray Chart supports two flow directions, converging and diverging. You can switch between them from the Format Visual pane under Layout General Direction. Go to the Formatting pane and click Layout. You will see the direction. By default it is converging, which means data flows inward toward a central point. As the stages progress, the chart narrows and focuses on the center. This layout is ideal for funnel-style processes such as sales pipelines, approval workflows, qualification stages, or compliance processes where items move toward a final outcome. When you click on the drop-down field, you will see diverging, which means data flows outward from a starting point. The innermost ring represents the first stage, and each subsequent stage expands outward. This is useful for growth-oriented processes such as product rollouts, marketing campaigns. Both converging and diverging layouts uses the same data. Only the visual direction changes. Next, let's explore heat mapping with conditional color formatting. The Sunray Chart fully supports Power BI's native conditional formatting capabilities. This allows you to dynamically color nodes based on measures or categorical values, turning the chart into an interactive heat map. To apply conditional formatting, select the Sunray Chart and open the Format Visual pane. Open Format pane. Navigate to Node Settings and locate Node Color. Click Node Color. Click the FX button to open Power BI's Conditional Formatting dialog. Open the dialog. From here, you can choose between rules, gradient, or field value formatting, depending on your reporting requirements. In this example, each node represents an individual compliance item, while the node color is driven by the compliance adherence field. Point to the legend at the top. The chart uses conditional formatting to visually indicate compliance status. Green represents compliant, yellow represents partially compliant, red represents non-compliant. Hover over a few nodes. Because the colors are assigned dynamically from the data, users can immediately identify areas that require attention without reviewing individual records. Next, let's explore how to customize node icons and data labels in the Sunray Chart. These features help make your visualization more informative and easier to understand by adding visual indicators and descriptive text directly to each node. Let's start with node icons. In this example, I've added a field called First Status to the node icon field well. The chart automatically identifies the distinct values in that field, such as completed, not started, and doing. You can see that each status is represented by a different icon, making it easy to distinguish between project states without needing to inspect individual records. To configure icons, navigate to Format Visual Node Icon and enable the feature. The default node icon determines the shape used when no custom icon mapping is applied. By selecting Edit Icons, you can assign a unique icon to each value in your node icon field. For example, completed projects use a star icon, not started projects use an exclamation circle, and doing projects use a half star. This makes it possible to understand project status at a glance, even when working with large datasets. Now let's look at node labels. Node labels display text directly beside each node. In this example, the project name is displayed, allowing users to identify individual projects without hovering for additional information. To enable labels, simply add a field to the node label data well and turn on node label under the node formatting section. You can further customize the appearance by adjusting font color, font size, font style, maximum label width, and text wrapping. These options help ensure labels remain readable even when the chart contains a large number of nodes. Now let's explore the extensive formatting capabilities available in the Sunray Chart. Every visual element within the Sunray Chart can be customized directly from the Format visual pane, allowing you to match your organization's branding, reporting standards, and design preferences. Navigate to Formatting pane. Layout customization. Under the Layout section, you can control the overall structure and appearance of the chart. You can switch between converging and diverging flow directions, change the layout style, adjust category heights, and customize the overall chart colors. You also have full control over grid lines and rays, including their visibility, thickness, and color. These settings allow you to create anything from a minimal dashboard view to a highly detailed analytical visualization. Node formatting. The Nodes section provides complete control over how individual data points appear. You can customize node size, apply conditional color formatting, configure data labels, and display custom icons based on your data. These options help highlight important information and improve readability for end users. Column and category formatting. Columns and categories can also be individually styled. You can adjust background colors, font families, font sizes, and text styling options such as bold, italic, and underline. This makes it easy to align the visual with your corporate branding or reporting theme. State labels. The chart also allows you to customize the start and end state labels. You can modify their text, dimensions, background colors, font styles, and positioning to better reflect your business process. Thank you for watching this introduction to the Datellers Sunray Chart. For more information, examples, and updates, please visit Datellers. Happy reporting!